Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Yunzii keyboard via Bluetooth. First, make sure your keyboard has enough power, either fully charged or with fresh batteries. Next, find the Bluetooth switch, usually located on the back or side of your keyboard. Flip this switch to the on position and then select the Bluetooth mode. This initial step prepares your keyboard for a seamless wireless connection to your device. Now, let's get your Yunzii keyboard into pairing mode. You'll need to press and hold the specific Bluetooth pairing key combination for about 3 to 5 seconds. Look for a rapidly flashing indicator light. This confirms your keyboard is ready to connect. For many Yunzii models, you might use the function key along with the number 1, 2, or 3 to choose a specific Bluetooth channel for pairing. With your keyboard in pairing mode, it's time to connect it to your device. Go to your computer or mobile device's Bluetooth settings. Turn on Bluetooth and then scan for new devices. You should see your Yunzii keyboard appear in the list, typically labeled as Yunzii keyboard or something similar. Select it, and if prompted, confirm the pairing on your device to establish the connection. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your keyboard doesn't connect, try restarting both your Yunzii keyboard and your device. Also, ensure no other devices are currently using the same Bluetooth channel on your keyboard. For the best performance, keep your keyboard within 10 meters of your device. If problems continue, consider updating your device's Bluetooth drivers for a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.